Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're an everyday girl just like me and you really don't want to stress too much about what makeup look to wear on a daily basis, then this video is definitely meant for you. So I'll walk you guys through the step-by-step on what you need to recreate this easy peasy look, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming barefaced today. Can you guys tell I'm feeling really comfortable already? My skin is definitely a work in progress, so bear with me, but you know, yeah, this is what we're working with today. So today's video is definitely for the everyday girl that really doesn't want to stress too much about makeup but still look cute. I got you, girl. I got you, girl. I'm here for you. I'm here to teach you one or two things, okay? So just stay ready. I got you. So this video is going to be very beginner friendly. I'm going to go back to the basic. I will walk you guys through every single thing you need to get a flawless face as a beginner, and also the tools and everything that you need I will let you guys know in this video. So let's not talk too much and let's get right into this, because it's going to be very detailed, so it might be a little bit longer than my regular videos, but bear with me, okay? I'm trying to show you guys something here. So sorry about that, guys. I'm so thirsty. So yeah, you do need your foundation that matches your skin type and your skin tone, okay? So if you are like oily skin, if you're dry skin, if you're a combination, if your skin is like a combination, so just make sure you're buying a foundation that is made for your skin type and obviously matches your skin tone. So you would need a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. If you want to go really minimal, definitely do 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. I usually just stick to powder contour, but if you want to try out the cream contour, of course, you know, go ahead and get a foundation that's at least 2 shades darker than your skin tone, to at least give you that chiseled look that you want to go for, right? The third thing you would need is a face powder that matches your complexion, of course. And you would also need a setting powder for your concealers. There's a bunch of brands and products out there for you to choose from. I use the Mercier setting powder, so I'm thinking of getting the Huda Beauty one as well, just to try my hands on that one. But the one I have is the Mercier setting powder. So yeah, what else is left for us to go through? So I went through so this is all you need for your face. So I went through foundation, powder, concealer, and your setting powder. So for your eye makeup, like I said, as a beginner, you don't really need to do too much. If you want this for an everyday look, you do need an eyebrow pencil for your eyebrows. Again, if you're a beginner, you're still trying your hands on these things to see what works for you and what doesn't work. So I don't recommend you go out there and buy a whole bunch of products and then, you know, maybe you don't use half of it. You get what I mean? So yeah, just buy the minimal basic things that you need, try your hands on it and see what works and what doesn't. When you feel that you're starting to get more comfortable and getting better at it, then obviously go ahead and get yourself a bunch of other products you feel that you might need. But in the beginning, I'll just recommend these basic products. For your eyes, for everyday look, just get yourself a neutral palette. There's a bunch of palettes with a great color mix for the everyday girl. Go out there to your drugstores and you would find a bunch of palettes from, you know, so many different brands. So for the lips, I really can't tell you what colors to wear on your lips. Just wear whatever colors you feel comfortable wearing. That's completely, you know, up to you. Moving on to the tools you need for your everyday look. Of course, you cannot get your makeup done without brushes, right? So that's like the major thing you need to get your makeup done. I would recommend that you go out there and get yourself a brush set that has every single brush you need, from your face brushes to your lip brushes. So I do have a brush set that I'm really excited to feature on today's episode. So I have a brush set that I'm going to be featuring today for you guys to see. It's a 20-piece brush set by a Nigerian brand. It's by a brand called VICCABEL. You can purchase these brushes in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. They ship to you. They even ship outside Africa as well. So if you find that you like these brushes, I will leave the link for the brand in the comment section below for you guys to check them out on Instagram, check out their websites. They recently also just launched a new collection of I guess single brushes and also some other beauty blenders. They had beauty blenders before in their previous collection, but they just launched a new collection with single brushes, beauty blenders, and a couple more other things, but I will leave all that in the link below for you guys to check them out. This brand I really do identify with. I know that they put their heart and soul into making these brushes, really good brushes to where you can use it from beginner level all the way to pro level. So they really did pour their heart and soul into making this product. That I definitely know for sure. Again, the good thing about it is if you're a beginner and you really don't know what brushes to use for what purpose, they have everything there for you. They got you, okay? Everything is labeled out, so you know which one is a powder brush, you know which one is a foundation brush, a powder brush, eyeshadow brush, blending brush, concealer brush, name it. They labeled everything there for you. So this is like a packed brush set to where everything you need is in there. Check them out, check out their page. They have amazing bomb beauty blenders. I'm just waiting to get my own package as well, because like I said, I love this brand. So whatever they put out, I'm definitely going to get. All right, so I think that's enough talking. Let's get into the action for today. I will not be doing my eyebrows on camera just because I feel like that's kind of redundant. So I pretty much do the same thing everyone else does for their eyebrows. But if you guys feel like you want me to do an eyebrow tutorial as well, let me know. I can definitely go ahead and do that. But for today's video, I don't think I'm going to be including the eyebrow tutorial. I'll just do that off camera. So you guys, the brushes come in this really nice cute velvet packaging, which you can pretty much repurpose for other things if you wanted to do that. Do you guys see how cute this pouch really looks on the inside? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Anyways, so what I love the most about these brushes, of course, is the protective net that it has around it. It will just help keep the brush in form regardless of how many times you use it, which is really great. And this is also one of the beauty blenders from their previous collection. I'm yet to try it. I guess we're going to put it to the test today. So I really do not like recording voiceovers. I don't know, something about it just makes me feel like I'm struggling to match my words to the actions. I don't know, man. I don't know. But let's get right into this voiceover, okay? So I'm obviously using this pulley brush to just brush out my eyebrows and just keep them in place. And moving on to the foundation, I would leave the info for this foundation in the description box below, just in case anyone is interested. But it's Maybelline, I think. Yeah, it's Maybelline. So I'm going to be using my NK4 brush to apply my foundation today. It's a really smooth, nice buffer brush, so it will go on really well. And what I usually do is I usually spray my brushes, whenever I'm applying any liquid product, I usually spray my brushes with a setting spray. I find that just helps the products go over a little bit smoother than if you just went in with your dry brush. So I would recommend that you guys do that as well. I really don't think I need to do too much of this voiceover for this video, because I feel like you guys can literally just see the steps and see everything I'm doing. So if I feel the need to like chip in something, then I would go ahead and do that. But otherwise, I would just let you guys watch and see all the steps so that you can just maybe follow along if you want, or maybe not. Whatever, but that's fine. So I'll just leave you guys be and let you guys enjoy the video. So the reason why I personally prefer to use a concealer that's, you know, 2 shades lighter than my skin tone is because I find that that just helps shaping up my face without really having to like do the extra step of cream contour, because I generally don't do that. So that just kind of helps give my face that shape that I want it to have. And obviously also my under eye, I usually like it to be a little bit brighter. So yeah, that's why I go through the extra step of doing 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. But if you're like a minimalist and you really don't want to do too much, I just recommend you do 1 shade lighter than your skin tone. Some people go overboard with this, but yeah, I would stick to 1 or 2 shades lighter. Anything extra is just a bit too much in my opinion, but then again, do you, babe? So guys, at this point my camera battery died and I took like a while to charge it, and so I just took that time to apply my eyelashes off camera. Right now I'm just going over the whole face with my Maybelline powder just to set everything, and we're going to move on to the eyes. For my eyes, as you guys saw, that I never like used any eyeshadow or anything, it was just powder and foundation. So now I'm going to go in with a brownish shade just to deepen my crease a little bit and just give it more definition. Again, for your everyday look, you don't want to do too much. I literally only use just one eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette, so that just goes to show you that you really don't need, you know, too much colors or, you know, a bunch of eyeshadows to do your eye makeup really. I don't understand why I constantly try to wink. My wink game is so weak. I'm just being a little bit extra with the inner corners of my eyes. I mean, if this is not your cup of tea, you can definitely skip this step. But for me, I like the inner corners of my eyes to kind of pop a little bit.
So that's it, guys. I'm just locking everything in with the setting spray while giving you guys some slow motion. I don't know why. So right now I'm just applying my glow oil, which I got from I think Walmart, probably. Yeah. So yeah, this just gives my skin that extra glow. You know, melanin plus glow equals recipe for, I don't know. I'm speaking rubbish at this point. But yeah, that's the finished look, guys.
So this is the finished look today, guys. I hope that you guys like it and try to recreate this look. If you do try to recreate this look, please send me a picture. I would really like to see that. And yeah, I think we covered everything we need to cover in this video. I forgot to mention earlier that you would obviously need a setting spray and a highlighter. I don't think the highlighter is really an essential. That's why I didn't mention it, because if you don't necessarily have to have highlighter every day you put your makeup on. If you wanted to go for that extra look, then of course get the highlighter, but if not, it's really not an essential. You should get the setting spray though. That will just lock everything in and help your makeup last a little bit longer. So I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. As usual, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So don't forget to click the notification icon so you get notified every time I post up a new video. I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you again so much for watching my videos. I would see you in my next video. Bye.